everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage to tuna no salad. I'm making some salad with cabbage and canned tuna today. Very easy to make, and you can eat more cabbage than you think you can by roasting it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this cabbage to tuna no salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Cabbage, I'm using half of this today. Canned tuna, 1 or 2 depending on the size. Half a teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, and 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and rice vinegar. I'm going to cut the cabbage, but before that, prepare plenty of boiling water. As I said, I'm going to use half of this cabbage, so let's cut it into half. And I want to make it into very thin strips. And you can of course use knife, but I'm using vegetable peeler. And let's put it in the strainer. Now, the water is boiling, so I'm going to whip the cabbage. So put it in the sink and pour the hot water all over the cabbage. So the cabbage is wilted, but it's not completely cooked, so you still have the texture. Let's cool it down to room temperature. Now, I'm going to make the dressing. You just need to put all the seasoning in one big bowl. So 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of garlic, vinegar, and soy sauce. Give it a mix. And the dressing is ready. Super easy. I left the cabbage about 15 minutes and it's room temperature. If you can't wait for 15 minutes, you can just release in cold water. Now, let's squeeze it well and add to the bowl of dressing. So take some and squeeze it really well. No mercy. Then into the bowl. And drain canned tuna and add it to the bowl. It's in brine, but you can use the one in oil, whichever you like. Add it to the bowl. Mix it well. Serve in the bowl. And some black pepper if you like. And cabbage to tuna no salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。 So rich and flavorful thanks to the mayonnaise, but very refreshing at the same time thanks to the vinegar. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. The salad is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other side. How about the 4 payday rice bowl here, which will also cover the main, and eggplant miso soup or any miso soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!